Diabetes mellitus is a group of metabolic diseases characterized by high blood sugar levels, hyperglycemia, resulting from defects in insulin secretion, insulin action, or both. Types of diabetes mellitus. Type 1 diabetes. Autoimmune condition where the body attacks and destroys insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. No insulin production. Patients need insulin injections for life. Typically diagnosed in children or young adults. Symptoms: rapid onset of extreme thirst, frequent urination, weight loss, fatigue. Type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance and eventual pancreatic beta cell dysfunction leading to decreased insulin production. Typically develops in adults, especially those who are overweight, sedentary, and have family history of diabetes. Can be managed with lifestyle changes, oral medications, and sometimes insulin. Symptoms, often subtle, including increased thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, blurred vision. Gestational diabetes. High blood sugar during pregnancy that usually resolves after birth. Increases the risk of developing T to DM later in life for both mother and baby. Other specific types. Diabetes due to genetic mutations, endocrine diseases, medication-induced, example corticosteroids, or pancreatic diseases. Pathophysiology of diabetes. Insulin and blood glucose regulation. Insulin helps cells absorb glucose from the blood for energy or storage. In type 1, the body doesn't produce insulin, so glucose can't enter the cells. In type 2, cells become resistant to insulin, meaning glucose builds up in the blood because the cells can't use it properly. Complications of poorly managed diabetes. Microvascular complications, damage to small blood vessels. Retinopathy, vision problems. Nephropathy, kidney damage leading to kidney failure. Neuropathy, nerve damage, especially in legs and feet. Macrovascular complications, damage to large blood vessels. Increased risk for heart disease, stroke, and peripheral artery disease. Signs and symptoms of diabetes. Polydipsia, excessive thirst. Polyuria, frequent urination. Polyphagia, increased hunger. Fatigue. Blurred vision. Unexplained weight loss in type 1. Slow wound healing. Tingling or numbness in extremities, especially in type. Diagnostic tests. Fasting blood glucose. Normal, 70 to 100 mg dl. Diabetes, greater than or equal to 126 mg per deciliter after fasting for 8 hours. Oral glucose tolerance test. After drinking a sugary solution, blood glucose levels are measured at intervals. Diabetes, greater than or equal to 200 mg per deciliter after 2 hours. Hemoglobin A1c measures average blood glucose levels over the past 2 to 3 months. Normal, 4% to 5.6%. Pre-diabetes, 5.7% to 6.4%. Diabetes, greater than or equal to 6.5%. Kindly subscribe for more understanding.